Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Pedialyte Electrolyte Powder, Strawberry Lemonade, Electrolyte Hydration Drink, 0.6 ounce powder packs, 3.6 ounce, pack of 3. She has been mixing this with water, and carrying it around to drink from a water bottle, and it is helping her a lot. It says it's for kids, but if you're an adult, and love to party, this is a game changer for sure. Gatorade and Powerade are fine, but they're for preventing dehydration, not recovering from being dehydrated. It's easy on your stomach, and you can have some before you go to bed for best results, and even drinking before going out helps. Next morning, depending on how much you drove yourself into the ground, you'll feel much better than you should have. If you sweat a lot when exercising, then this is second to none, or the best. It quickly replenishes much needed electrolytes much faster than the same amount of sports drinks. Great for making a large glass of Pedialyte as you need. Is expensive, but has good shelf life. Pedialyte is an excellent rehydration drink for adults as well as children, in cases of diarrhea, vomiting, and stomach upset. One of these in a water bottle before bed goes a long way to having a better morning after a night out drinking, and equally helpful recovering from any ailment. It can help when your child is sick, and throwing up, or going to the bathroom a lot. It's a great way to replenish lost electrolytes without the sugar content of most sports drinks. It really stops diarrhea. Mix it with hot water, and drink it, and boom, diarrhea stops. Doesn't taste the best, kind of like orange medicine, but it gets the job done. It seems expensive, sort of, but the 6 packs of drinks are expensive, but worthy, too. While not quite as refreshing as drinking water, or Gatorade, this is a healthier option than sugary sports drinks. The strawberry lemonade flavor is better than some others, and the product is very helpful with dehydration in adults as well as children. Despite marketing by Powerade, and Gatorade, and the like, Pedialyte remains the very best combination of taste and performance. If you really need to rehydrate, Triol is the best option, but doesn't taste especially nice. Working out a lot, and this keeps me hydrated for the next day of physical activities. One of the Gatorade canisters was slightly split open. This is always a problem unless they are packed with some padding. He takes a few packets in his fishing bag then when on the boat, and puts it into his bottled water when he needs it. Nothing beats this stuff for hangovers. Take 1000 milligrams of NAC, and a dose of milk thistle, and drink this before bed. Tastes so much better than all the other flavors, and can take with for hangovers. Lol. The taste is a little on the sour side, lemon over strawberry, but compared to the other flavors, definitely is a first choice. Flavor does taste like strawberry lemonade, and there is a bit of a salty taste to it as well. Very convenient for traveling. Each packet is securely packaged, a little pricey, but overall happy with purchase. So convenient to put these packs in your purse, and have one while you're drinking at night, and another one in the morning. They don't taste that great, but they're not awful. Great for when you are drinking to not have a hangover the next day. The only thing you are not getting is a significant number of calories, so you really are not gaining much energy to burn on days like that. Being in a powder form, it's really fantastic as you don't have to discard what you don't drink within 72 hours of opening a bottle of it. Tastes great. Good for preventing a hangover, curing a hangover, staying hydrated while outdoors, or replenishing electrolytes after a workout. These are great for quick rehydration even for adults after drinking a bit too much the night before. Great way to keep up your electrolytes on a hot day, or after a long night. Pedialyte has been traditionally only available as a pre-mixed, coming in a large, or very large bottle. These packs let you mix it when you need to, and also carry it quite easily. There are sports drinks, and electrolyte replacement that work as well, but Pedialyte has the most available as it's designed to help out children. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.